Happy Day. It's a good day. Today's menu is Korean lettuce salad. This is a very easy and simple recipe. Let's start. Let me introduce ingredients. Main ingredients is lettuce. I prepared two kinds of lettuce. Half is green lettuce and half is red lettuce. And this vegetable, its name is Pimpinella Brachycarpa Nakai. It is so long and difficult, so I just call it chamnamul in Korean. A handful of chamnamul, half onion, and a green onion. Let's clean the lettuce. Wash the lettuce well by running water. You can clean one by one. It's very clean, so just rinse twice is enough. After washing it, shake it to remove water. And drain the water on a colander. And let's cut this ingredient. First, onion. Slice it thinly. And next, green onion. I just use half green onion. And next, chamnamul. First, remove this part. And just tear it into bite-sized pieces by hand. And a few minutes ago, I took out red pepper. I'm gonna use it for color and flavor and decoration. Just like this. Just cut like this. Let's make the seasonings. The amount of lettuce is around 130 grams. So, first, the soy sauce is 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fermented fish sauce. Okay. Around 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Less than 1 tablespoon. Half tablespoon of plum syrup. Half tablespoon of sugar. And half spoon of sesame oil. And half spoon of perilla oil. Half spoon of garlic. Half spoon of sesame seeds. And 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder. And stir it and mix well until sugar is melted. I need a big bowl to mix all the vegetables and seasoning. And lettuce. I'll remove this part and tear it bite-sized pieces by hand. Remove this part. Also remove this part. and tear it by hand into bite-sized pieces. And remember this, just before serving, you should mix this. Otherwise, its water comes out. Okay? Yeah. I put on disposable glove and add some vegetables. Oh, all the vegetables. And I'm gonna add seasoning. And toss it gently to coat with the sauce, like this. Gently, gently, like this. And, oh, it smells good. Okay, all done. And I'm gonna place on the plate. Okay, finish. I sprinkled some more sesame seeds. I think Korean lettuce salad goes well with acorn jello. So I prepared acorn jello. Oh, its texture is bouncy like pudding. Let's slice. Cut like this. I don't want to spoil. Carefully. Okay. Look at this acorn jello. Doesn't it look delicious? May I add this summer flavor? Sesame oil and some sesame seeds. I taste it. 1 acorn jello and 1 red pepper. Good. Bouncy. It's crunch, a little spice, sour, sweet, and savory. It's very delicious. I bet you like it. Enjoy my recipe. Thank you. See you next time.